Hello, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to purchase the cargo drop 3. So let's get started. So first, what you're gonna need is your Crowd1 account logged in and your Planet X account logged in. And you wanna have them both to the home page. So this is the home page for Crowd1. You click on Crowd1 logo, bring you to the home page. And this is the home page for Planet X. If you click on the home page Planet X, it'll bring you to this home page. Now, I want you to have your cryptocurrency exchange ready, like a Coinbase or Binance or whatever it is that you use. So right now I don't have it open because there's like problem with my phone, so I can't really log in to the Coinbase, but I can walk you through the process. And I have Coinbase tutorials that I will put in the link down below and in this playlist as well, so you guys can follow along with it. So, all right. But you know what? I'm gonna click open the new tab and I'm just gonna click on Coinbase, sign in, just to like show you an example or like so that you have an idea. So if you have a Coinbase or Binance or whatever it is that you use, have it open and log in and just have those ready. So now let's go back to our Crowd1 homepage. So now in your Crowd1 homepage, you will see something like this, limited edition cargo drop 3. If you don't see anything like this, let me know down below so I can help you out, or in a group chat or in the comment section. So if you see something like this, you want to click on buy now, right? And then go down and click on this one. Planet Ice Cargo Drop 3, single pack. So depending on how many you want to buy, if you want to buy only 1 pack, you can choose this, or if you want to buy a 5-pack, choose this, or if you want to buy 10 of it, choose this. So right now, I just want to buy 1, for example. So I click on it, right? And then I enter the amount, I only want 1. And then I click on buy Ike's gift. Click on this, and I'm gonna click pay with Bitcoin. So buy now. And I'm gonna click here to generate payment address. And then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna copy this. This is known as the address of which I'm gonna send the Bitcoin to, and this is known as the Bitcoin amount. So I'm gonna send this Bitcoin amount. I'm gonna send 0.0071 Bitcoin to this Bitcoin address, and I'm gonna do that by using Coinbase. So I'm gonna log into my Coinbase and I'm gonna send Bitcoin, this much amount, and I'm gonna send it to this address. Now it's gonna look, the address obviously is gonna be different for you guys, but it's the same procedure, and I will show you how to do it on another video. So I'm gonna have another video on how to send Bitcoin and how to buy Bitcoin as well. So I will put that in the link in the description down below, and I'll also create a playlist where you can follow along with this tutorial. So once you've sent this amount of Bitcoin to this specific address, make sure that everything is copied correctly. You know, make sure there's no extra one or you miss one so that it goes through. If you make a mistake, it's not gonna go through. So make sure you do it correctly. And if you don't know how to highlight it, just click over here on your left and then swipe it, click on your right, and then copy it. And then go to the place where you paste this amount of Bitcoin and where you send it, and right click, and then when you right click, it should allow you to paste. Anyways, I will show you that on this other video. So once you've successfully sent this amount of Bitcoin and then to the specific address, what's gonna happen that it's gonna take 30 minutes for the voucher code to arrive in your wallet, because the transaction usually takes 30 minutes for it to complete. When I make purchases like this in Crowd1, the transaction takes like 30 minutes to complete, and then after the voucher code will arrive in your gift code section. So where do we find that? So if you click over here in this profile and click on gift codes, click on gift codes, If you click on gift codes and scroll down more, you will see over here unused gift codes. And if your voucher code has arrived, the voucher code will show here. So it will show there. And what happens is that when you see the voucher code, you're gonna copy that voucher code. So how do we do that? So I'm gonna show you an example of a voucher code. So this is my already used voucher code, and I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna load it. So how do we copy that? So the voucher code is like over here, like a code. It's like a code. So it will show like the name of the package, and then it will say like the code. So this will be the name. This will be the name, and this will be the code. Show you another example. This will be the name, Earth. This is an Earth package, and this would be a code, right? Also this one, this will be a name, and this will be a code. Now, I'm not gonna use these ones obviously because it's not a code that we are gonna use. I'm just showing you an example of what the code is, what it looks like. So once the voucher code arrives here and you see it, cargo drop 3, what you're gonna do is copy the code, make sure it's correct, and make sure it's the code. If you have any questions bothering your mind, ask the group chat or comment down below. So if you see the name cargo drop 3 and then you see the code, make sure you copy the code correctly. Highlight it, right click to copy. And then what you're gonna do is when you copy it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to over here, home planet IX, right? And then if you see something like this, you're gonna click on it. But if you can't, let me know. You're gonna click on Mint now. You're gonna click on Mint now, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on Voucher. Click on Voucher, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna enter the voucher code here. You're gonna paste the voucher code here, but this wasn't the right voucher code. I'm just like showing you how to paste the voucher code. But you're gonna paste the voucher code that you copied here from your cargo drop 3 voucher code. You're gonna paste here, and then you're gonna confirm it, and you're gonna claim it. That's what you can do. And make sure you have enough Matic in your MetaMask wallet to make transactions in your Web3 wallet as well, in the Polygon network. And if you're not sure, I can have another video for that. But overall, that is how you purchase the cargo drop 3 with voucher code. But now I'm gonna show you where to find it. So you can do that over here if you go to game and then go over here to inventory and then go over here to cargoes. So over here in cargoes, you will see all of your cargo drops that you've had. That's where it will show. And you can also check here in the Net Empire. If you go to Net Empire, check here in the Net Empire. So right now I'm just showing you how to check the cargo drop that you've purchased, or like proof that you purchased it. So if you click on here, if you go to Net Empire and go to Net Empire again and go to purchase packs, if you go to purchase packs, in purchase packs, it will show the purchase packs that you bought before. It should show there. That's it. Okay, that is it. This is for this tutorial. That's how you purchase the cargo drop 3 voucher code in a Crowd1 and how to use it in a redeem it in Planet IX. That's how you do it. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.